Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add perspective guides to your sketch on the Sketchbook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the second option at the top of the screen and tap on perspective guides. Here you can see several ones. You can rotate them by using this arrow. Here you have other options, so you can choose the 2-point mode or the 3-point mode, and here you can also customize your grid by using this scale to select the density and opacity. If you are done with it, tap on the check mark icon. And you can also use this constrained grip function. Here you can tap on these points and move them to the preferred direction of your choice. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.